Never said it should, never said it could, never said it would, never said it would be easy, never said it would be easy, Listen to me, and I never thought I would come down to this. No. See, I remember back when we used to take off into the clouds, just me and you. We were young and wild. Now all of that has altered. All of a sudden now we're strangers, and now I see what you were truly made of. Too afraid to commit, to be vulnerable. But I never said it would be easy. Never said it would be easy. Never said.
Shout out to Houston Magazine. My feet still soaked, I walk miles in the rain. Only got a free throw when I was 5 in the game. Other than that, it wasn't too much given, but that's how it goes when you black. In this world that we live in, my skin tone and my dress with me, an automatic suspect. People judge my appearance, act like they know me when we just met. It's sad, but that really make me laugh a bit. Cause to my struggle, homie, you don't really know the half of it. All we got with Christmas is a bag of nicks, and my dog was acrobatic, got the bags to flip. Until the cops went in the spot, waving the badge and fifth, saying good job, go ahead, bag him and tag him quick. So we had to switch the mention up, speak to the streets from the bottom, hoping they listen up. I know sometimes the world cold, you need an antifreeze, but put your faith in God, ain't nothing you can't achieve. Believe me, nobody said it would ever be easy.
I do this for the ones who was with me from the start. I do this for the lovers from the bottom of my heart. Yeah, I do this for the hustle on the grind every day. So you ain't gotta ask what I mean when I say I do this for you, I do this for you, I do this for you, I do this for you. Yeah, I do this for you, I do this for you, I do this for you, I do this for you. Yeah, I do this for you.
Seems like it only gets harder, like everything I fight for fights back. Rewriting history, the reason why I write raps. The slightest progression is what I set my sights at. Reminiscing, I know I will never get these nights back. Long moons, no sleep, but heavy dreams. Motivated, I won't fail because the cream cash rules everything around me. Buried in my soul, ain't surprised if it sounds deep. King in and making for it that became vacant. They say revenge is sweet, but it's sweeter when you make it. I tasted it's a spoonful, eating till the moon's full. All these gems in one mind, you think it was a room full. Laughing at these characters, just shooting at my barriers. Block full of cartoons, a whole afternoon full. Life's a struggle, but that's why life chose you. Never said it would be easy, it ain't supposed to.
Never said
it ain't supposed to.